So this is my other X-Maxx build. I got the knockoff Vidovon shocks, JConcepts Magmas on here. Got the cage. Got the skateboard wheels. This is running 1250 kV 8S Max 5 custom LEDs and bumper from my buddy Ken. And I just walk around real quick. This is on 8S. This is like not really my basher, but kind of a all-around truck. The video. The Magma's grip. And this Magma's grip. They grip hard. Okay, what's up now? Kill. Ready? Right, our test session is done. Good to say I didn't break anything. Thanks to 3D abilities for these front and rear guards. Keep everything clean. I mean, there's less grass and stuff that I'm usually getting. Again, thanks to Ken for the the fans and the cowl, the fan cowl. Kept everything cool. This is running 1250 kV on 8S. Pretty nice. These are the I call these the bootleg Beatnix springs. They're like the Vidovon, but cheaper version. They're powder coated. They come in color, not as stiff as a Vidovon. Again, basher, rear stand off for the X-Maxx prevents the body from collapsing from the back. So this prevents it from coming back. Front custom bumper. Again, this is a grab handle, the extra front wheelie bar. Held up so far. Again, this is from Ken, extra stiff. Overall, pretty good. These Magmas, whew, they grip hard. Overall, nice. Body's also reinforced. Bed liner, so we're not gonna mess that up. And of course, we got fender flares from Ken. Body's pretty good, well rounded. Again, these are a must if you want to save your body. The rear portion from collapsing in. This holds it up. Alright, next video, maybe I'll jump this thing.